What are inlay and onlay restorations? Are they better than a crown?
So what they are referring to is, sometime when you have a small cavity on the tooth, it could be as simple as, just making a filling. When you have a large part of the tooth broken, not the complete tooth is broken, we refer to them as an inlay or an onlay. Although it is not uncommon nowadays, like for people, at least I do not see that more commonly in practice. Most of the time, either you're going to get a filling, or you're going to get a larger filling, or you're going to get a crown. So in the past, the filling materials, and particularly these tooth colored filling materials, or we call it as a bonding materials that we use for filling these teeth nowadays, they never used to be as strong as the metal. So we used to do the inlays and onlays in the past, but nowadays, with the advent of technology, we have these tooth colored materials or the bonding materials. They are as strong as the metal, or we are, although they may not be as strong as the metal, we are able to successfully repair the tooth with these, what we call it as a composites or the tooth colored materials, as very successfully. So to answer your question, your dentist is the best judge whether you're going to need an onlay, or you're going to successfully restore the tooth with the composite instead of an onlay, whether you need an inlay, or whether the dentist is able to successfully restore it just with the composite, or if you are going to need a crown, then your dentist is going to tell you. So talk to your dentist and they should be able to help you.